President Rodrigo Duterte is running for Vice President.
Gusto talaga ninyo? O sige. Tatakbo ako ng Vice Presidente. Then I will continue the crusade. I'm worried about the drugs, insurgency. Well, number one is insurgency. Then criminality, drugs.
There are also reports Duterte's longtime aide, Senator Bongo, would gun for the vice presidency as Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte's running mate. But these do not bother Senate President Tito Sotto. Sotto has declared he would be the running mate of Senator Ping Lacson, who is gunning for the presidency in the 2022 elections. According to Lacson, there is no turning back for their tandem. Lacson and Sotto are set to officially launch their political plan for 2022 on September 8.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.